This is nuts. It is.
All right, guys, we're going on a big hunt today. Big snow goose hunt. Big snow goose hunt. Big feed. Bunch of birds. The only issue is there's no wind, but a lot of young birds in there, if you know what I mean. Bunch of juvies. So it should go all right. We're putting out the full freaking package. Big spread, rotaries, clones. Got my lucky hoodie on, Tim Grounds, legend. But regardless, wish us luck. Got about a 45-minute drive. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Got the wide on. Big sock spread. Should be a fun morning. Get some shooting in. Let's get on with it. All right, let's take a gander. Big and wide, baby. Big and wide. All right, we're gonna do a little walkthrough. Here we go. Here we go. All right, well, that took about an hour and a half with 4 guys. We got about 100 dozen, maybe a little more. Decoys out. Got the rotaries, got the clones. Absolutely zero wind. I repeat, there's a lot of juvies in here, so it ought to be all right. 28 degrees. A little bit of frost should burn off before the birds fly, but we shall see. Let's go. 1 minute, guys. We are ready. Are you right or left-handed?
Righty. Thanks, buddy.
You can set your gun right here.
Oh, look at that, yeah.
Left-hander?
Yeah.
You just set it there.
You got it. Okay.
You can set your barrel on this thing if you want to.
Okay. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Geese on the right, coming in. Take him! Take him! Nice. Two more. Y'all load up. There's one more out there to the left, Thomas. All right. Hey, coming down, coming down. On the right, guys. Coming in. Kill him, guys. Reload, guys. Reload quick. Hey, there's a big wad coming from the front. I'm gonna pop this thing. Heel. 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 Kill him. Hey guys. Yeah. The low ones are a lot easier to kill than the tall ones. Yeah, check parallel. Yeah, and then either way. Oh, okay. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Coming over. These birds are really dumb. Don't you love it?
I'm just shocked how stupid they are.
Here we go, right out front.
These are what dreams are made of.
top right. Land out front.
I just want to see if they'll start something.
Yeah, 100%.
These chickens aren't going anywhere.
Uh-uh. Oh, here we go. Land.
Need that wind.
Yeah. You'll get right. Come on, baby. Come out front. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, yeah.
Get ready, guys.
Get ready, guys.
Kill him! Good shot. Good shot. Kill him!
Shoot it! Reload! You got reload, reload, reload! Here we go. Big group out front, right behind us, everywhere. Oh, I love it. Pick them up, dog. Here's one. Bunch behind us, guys. Here we go. Oh, yes. Yeah.
Kill those things.
Reload, reload, reload!
I love all of you guys. Unreal. Sorry about that. I thought I rung you when I swung over right here. I don't care when they're doing it this good. I don't either.
If it's like one bird every hour, yeah, I'll be pissed off. Yeah. Look at all the geese over there.
It's just chaos, so I don't care.
Right up top, Thomas. It's chaos.
Holy shit, look at all those.
Yeah. We gotta kill as many as we can. As soon as we can. Once that sun pops up, it's gonna get a little bit harder.
Really?
Yeah, just a hair probably. With no wind anyway. Come on, you suckers. We're gonna. I want to see a tornado.
They're gonna start something.
Yeah, they will.
The ones out front are gonna do it.
Here we go. This can be cool. Oh, baby. This is about to get loud. Look at that. Flipping.
I'm gonna grab one.
They'll come back. But making them all work now.
This is gonna get insane. Look to your right.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Just bear with us.
This is gonna be cool.
Oh, no, this
Woo. This is nuts.
I hope your GoPro's on.
It is. Oh no. Circle back. Circle back.
Alright, so whenever you're ready to shoot them.
Next time they get in front, maybe?
Yeah, for sure. Big Goose is back west.
Yeah. Come on.
I thought they were all going to sit.
I did too. There's not enough wind. They're gonna come back.
Alright, this one we're going to have to shoot first.
Yeah. Get ready, guys. Here we go. Kill! Reload, guys, reload. Man, I love this. Yeah, we'll just start shooting. Plow them down. Oh, flippin' juice. I know. Back right. Big group. Here we go. On the right. Kill him! Reload! There's still feathers in the air on the right. Look at that. Hey, still coming, guys. Reload, reload. Ooh, baby. Oh, they're set up. They're set up. Who needs shells? No one yet? Yeah. Locked up.
We're going to have to burn this little pack out there.
Absolutely. They're balled up. Yes. Yes.
Kill those dudes.
Yee-hoo!
Right on.
Coming back. Coming back.
All right, you
Watch
can
dogs.
Right here. You can kill the pair if you want on the right.
Keep shooting. Shoot to the dead.
Heel.
Out front, guys. Out front.
Heel. Heel.
This is insane. Hey, shoot some. Oh my gosh. Come on.
Here we go. Come on, come on, come on.
Okay, I'm gonna video with my big one. You follow it.
All right.
I'm gonna go shoot in the front.
Shooting this pack.
Yeah, I'd shoot the front and shoot this front. Yeah, hell yeah.
Oh. I'm gonna wait.
Got another wad on the line. Fence behind you up top.
Look at that. That thing had a stubby neck on it. Out front, guys. If these turn, we're taking them.
Yeah, that's root. You gotta really stick back in the light. Yeah, let's shoot this group hole.
Big group?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do it.
Come on.
Hey, scout you for a second. We got a bunch more coming behind this group. Next decent group looks like gets right in the front.
Okay.
You got some popping up there on the left, see that?
Yeah.
Otherwise, I don't want them to sit in the field close to us, you know?
Yeah, we need to shoot pretty quick.
And set, yeah. I might have to go run them up.
You want to take these?
Ooh, wow.
Yeah, these guys are flipping in hard.
Here we go. Oh my god! That was the one. Okay. Guys, there's a bunch in the decoys when we shoot. Here we go. Shoot ones in the decoys too. I'm ready. Take them, guys. Take them. Hey, coming back from behind right here. Hey, y'all want to shoot this one right here? Straight up. Oh, I didn't...
High fives! High fives! You haven't seen a fraction of the geese.
No. Oh, on the right. Whipping in. Come on. I'm gonna take these three. Shoot them. Look at all the feathers. I'm obsessed. Three coming in on the right. Three on the right. Obliterate them. Your barrel's hot? There's one walking right there.
Oh, I love it. Take him
Here we go. Oh!
Goosey. Touch him up.
Unreal. We've got to have 100 so far. Close to it.
Oh, look at that!
Oh, baby. Okay. Okay, here they come.
There's nothing coming. You got 3 more back left.
Shoot the 3. Good shooting. Good shooting. Fan freaking tastic. Oh! Speckle belly. Come on. Coming in on the right. Shoot it. Nice shot. 3 for 3. That thing got smoked. Poof, poof, poof. Oh, baby. Look at that. Mm-mm-mm.
It took everything for me not to shoot that one.
Oh!
Kill him, guys.
He's going down. Oh yeah, Deuce is getting him. Woo! That was like had good specs, didn't it?
Yeah, that's a barred up bird. That's the heel.
Nice.
Oh boy. Heel.
Oh, that's a black
Dude,
one.
come here. Okay. Take a pit stop.
Look at that thing. That's gorgeous.
Oh my lord.
Wow. That's a pretty one.
That's a car belly.
Just no.
How do you not get that one?
He's coming back. I'll clean him up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That was good.
It's a numbers game. Yeah, he was slow. He kind of dodged y'all's bullets. Well, we finished. Called the hunt, picked up. Check it out.
Not a bad one.
Woo-wee! Alright, well, we're all packed up. I think we shot around 100 roughly. Didn't get a final count, but it was a good day. None of the big groups came in, you know, flocked up, centered up, because there was zero wind. They were basically just going towards the, you know, the kill hole we had. Not bad, especially with a 2-mile-an-hour wind that switched 3 times from south, southeast to southwest. They were coming in at different angles. That's the reason why the big groups didn't flock up, center up, and we could, you know, center punch 100 to 200 that were coming in, 300, whatever. But it was a good day. We had fun. The juvies ate it up, landing in the decoys. Amazing time. Everyone had a blast. So we appreciate you watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one.